My Valentine's Day kit from the Scarlet Lion Planner Society has arrived. So this is not the regular monthly kit, this was an extra kit that you could subscribe to. So let's have a look. Here it is here. Gorgeous. I like the colours, the pink and the red and the black. What I'm trying to do here is actually save the paper bag so I can also use the bag for crafting with. Oh, cute. These are cute. Okay, so this is the kit. So it looks smaller than in a regular monthly kit. But the first thing I'll do is just open the papers and we'll have a look at those. This is a bit like the bag, but it's a bit redder toned. If you see the bag there, you can see the bag is pinker than this paper. And on the reverse, just a small black and white floral. Then this pink, which actually looks familiar. I'm not sure if she's done that before. On the reverse is just the black and white. Then there, wow, this is red. Very red paper. And on the reverse is this heart, pink and black heart, which I think I have as a digital paper, that one. I'm not sure. And then we've got an acetate, which is gorgeous, the red heart acetate. Love it. And two vellums, a pink and white and the floral. So these are all the papers and the specialty papers for the kit, so 9 of those altogether. And these are all the other things that have come in the kit. So the first thing are these bows. So these are the stickers that have been in the planner kits for the last couple of months. You can use these as tabs or deco or whatever. These ones are actually doubled up as tabs. So there's small ones and medium-sized ones. That hasn't been in the kit before. This has been in the kit before, where you've got all the edges. These are glittery pink, which we haven't had before, and you've got larger bows. So these bows are even larger, and they're not doubled up like these. These are connected in two, so you can fold them over easily. These ones are just individual bows. These have been in, this sheet has been in the last couple of kits in different colours, and it's a great addition to the kit. Looks like there's also some adhesive pockets. So as per usual, 2 of the larger size. This one has a rose gold foil. And the floral. And this one also has a rose gold foil. I really like the adhesive pockets. That's something all planner kits should have, actually. Then there's some notes. I'm not sure if these are sticky notes or notepad. We'll have a look. They are sticky at the top. So these are square sticky notes, really decent size. And there's a pen with a little heart on it with a bow, black hardware. And that's a ballpoint pen with pink crystal here and that floral. And then the last thing in the kit seems to be these die cuts. I'll just move these out of the way. Oh, and there's the washi. Oops, almost forgot the washi. How could we forget the washi? This one looks gorgeous. It looks like there's a red foil on it. Hopefully you can see there the red foil and the floral pattern. That's pretty. It looks like a 15mm washi. This one looks like a 10mm washi. Oh, and it has very light pink hearts on it. So it's a black and white, but there are, I'm not sure if the camera's catching that, there are very, very faint pink hearts all along it. Hopefully the camera's caught that. Okay, so now it's the die cuts. There's lots of balloon lettering. And then there's these little wood chalk boards. And then lots of red, pink and black Valentine's die cuts, which are cute. Die cut's a big one. Oh, and then we've got all of those die cuts there. And then we have some of these girls. These were a digital that I bought. Maybe it was last Valentine's, I can't remember when it was, a while ago. Obviously as the digital you can print them whatever size you like. These are a bit smaller than I think I printed them, but it's nice to have some of the die cuts here. And there's a heap of them, all with different hair colour and so on. So they're cute. And then there's some tags. All you need is love, but a little chocolate now and then doesn't hurt. Love is not about finding a perfect person, it's about seeing an imperfect person perfectly. Love is not about how much you say I love you, but how much you prove that it's love. Obviously they're all very love themed, being Valentine's, and happy Valentine's Day to myself. I love you. So they are all the die cuts. So the Valentine's kit has had those die cuts, the 2 washies, pen, the adhesive pockets, very cute sticky notes, these vinyl edges and bows, and then the usual 9 pieces of paper and specialty paper. So there we go, just a quick unboxing for you. Thanks for watching.